Have you noticed your energy isn't what it used to be? Maybe your mornings feel slower, your mood a bit flatter, and the spark, the motivation you once had, seems to fade little by little. You're not alone. After the age of 60, testosterone levels can drop by more than 30%, according to Harvard Health. And when that happens, it doesn't just affect muscle, strength, or energy, it changes how we feel every single day. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements or risky treatments. Nature has already given us simple, powerful foods that can help your body rebalance, foods that support your hormones naturally, gently, and safely. So today, let's explore 7 natural testosterone-boosting foods that you can find right in your kitchen or local market. Each one proven to help you feel stronger, steadier, and more alive. Maybe you've already tried some of the popular solutions. Pills that promise instant energy, expensive testosterone boosters from TV commercials, or workout routines that look great on paper, but leave your joints aching after just 10 minutes. I've seen it happen with my neighbor John. He's 68. A few months ago, he told me he was tired of feeling tired. So he bought a stack of supplements, started a strict gym plan, and within 2 weeks, he gave up. His knees hurt, his sleep got worse, and nothing really changed. And maybe you can relate. Because the truth is, most of those quick fixes treat the symptom, not the cause. They push your body instead of supporting it. But here's what I want you to know. The real solution has always been right in front of us in nature. Your kitchen can be your strongest medicine cabinet. Simple, natural foods that work with your body, not against it. No side effects, no pressure. Just gentle support for your hormones and energy. So stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll share 7 natural foods, easy to find, easy to enjoy, that can help revive your testosterone and help you feel stronger, more balanced, and more alive again. Before we dive into these 7 powerful foods, take a quick moment to subscribe and tap that little bell icon. Why? Because every week, we share simple, science-backed tips to help you stay strong, sharp, and full of life after 60. And when you like or comment on a video like this, you're not just helping yourself, you're helping thousands of other seniors discover these life-changing insights too. So go ahead, hit subscribe, join our growing community of healthy, happy seniors, and let's begin our journey. Starting with the very first food on the list. 1. Ginger, the ancient root of vitality. For centuries, ginger has been known as nature's warm medicine. But here's the surprise studies. From the International Journal of Reproductive Biomedicine, found that men who consumed ginger daily saw up to a 17% increase in testosterone within 3 months. It works by improving blood circulation and reducing oxidative stress, 2 major factors that decline with age. Try adding half a teaspoon of fresh ginger to warm tea or oatmeal each morning. My friend Robert, 70, calls it his morning spark. If you think ginger is powerful, wait until you hear about the next food. 2. Pumpkin seeds. The zinc powerhouse, tiny but mighty. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of zinc, a mineral essential for testosterone production. According to research from Oregon State University, zinc deficiency is directly linked to lower testosterone in older adults. Just 1 handful, about 1/4 cup, can help support hormone balance and prostate health. Sprinkle them over salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. And here's a tip from my neighbor Frank. He roasts them lightly with olive oil and sea salt for a crunchy afternoon snack. Next up is something simple, but it can balance your hormones from the inside out. 3. Oats. The gentle hormone balancer oats contain avanakosides, natural compounds that stimulate the pituitary gland, the control center of hormone production. A study in the Journal of Food Science showed that daily oat intake may help increase free testosterone naturally. Warm oatmeal in the morning, topped with banana and pumpkin seeds, makes a perfect start. Simple, comforting, and surprisingly effective. But if you love something sweet and rich in antioxidants, you'll love the next one. 4. Pomegranate, the heart and hormone fruit. In one study from the University of Edinburgh, participants who drank a glass of pomegranate juice daily saw an average 24% rise in testosterone levels after just 2 weeks. It's because pomegranates boost blood flow and protect the testes from oxidative damage. Drink 4-6 ounces of pure pomegranate juice a few times a week, or add the fresh seeds to your salad. Margaret, 67, says it's her youth potion in a glass. Next comes a leafy green that your body will thank you for. 5. Spinach. The mineral booster. Remember Popeye? He was onto something. Spinach is rich in magnesium, which helps release bound testosterone into its active form. According to a Journal of Biological Trace Elements study, men with higher magnesium intake had significantly better testosterone levels. Add a cup of fresh spinach to your omelet or smoothie daily. It's simple, and your muscles will feel the difference. But nuts, especially these two, might surprise you even more. Luke. Almonds and Brazil nuts. Nature's hormone support almonds provide vitamin E and healthy fats, while Brazil nuts are packed with selenium, a powerful antioxidant crucial for testosterone synthesis. Just 2 Brazil nuts a day give you your full daily selenium, need no pills required. A Harvard review found that selenium improves sperm health and overall hormone function. I like to mix a few almonds and 2 Brazil nuts as an evening snack, simple and satisfying. And finally, a flavor that brings both strength and warmth to your body. 7. Garlic, the natural energy enhancer. Garlic doesn't just make your food taste better, it makes your hormones stronger. A Japanese study in nutrition research showed that garlic combined with a healthy diet increases testosterone and reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. It helps your body stay calm and balanced. Crush 1 clove, let it rest for 10 minutes, then add it to cooked vegetables or soups. My Uncle Joe, 72, swears by his garlic tea with honey each night, says it keeps his engine running smooth. Now that you've seen all 7, you'll understand why these foods can truly change how you feel every single day. Now, you might think the #1 food would be something exotic, some rare superfruit from the Amazon, or a pricey supplement from a fancy store. But no, the real hero is sitting quietly in your kitchen. Garlic. Yes, that tiny clove you've used all your life. It may be the most underestimated natural testosterone booster there is. Researchers at Tohoku University in Japan discovered that when garlic is combined with a healthy diet, it can significantly increase testosterone production and lower cortisol, the stress hormone that blocks testosterone. In other words, garlic helps your body shift from stress mode to strength mode. I remember my father, he was 74 every evening. He'd crush a small clove of garlic, mix it with a spoon of honey, and take it before bed. At first, I thought it was just an old family habit. But over time, I saw how his energy returned. He walked more, laughed more, and his doctor even said his blood pressure and vitality had improved. So yes, sometimes the most powerful medicine isn't hidden in a bottle, it's right in your kitchen, waiting in a simple clove of garlic. And before we wrap up, let's talk about how these foods can work together to bring real, lasting change to your health. So remember this. Small changes in what you eat can bring big changes in how you feel. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just add a few of these natural, powerful foods into your daily routine and give your body the quiet support it's been asking for. If this video has been helpful to you, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Your interaction helps this channel grow, and more importantly, it helps others over 60 discover these same life-changing tips. And when you share this video with a friend or a loved one, you're not just sending a link, you're giving them a little spark of health, hope, and strength. So thank you for being here, for caring about your health, and for being part of this growing community of strong, wise, and vibrant seniors.